Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and this is my daughter. She is quite the artist, and she loves using all different types of mediums to create her artwork. I've recently got her these GenCrafts Watercolor brush markers, and I love seeing what she's been doing with them. These markers are really unique. These have a brush tip as opposed to a regular tip, so you can use them almost like a paintbrush. You can use these markers on dry paper or you can wet the paper first, just depending on the style that you like. I definitely feel like these markers are great for beginners. They're nice and lightweight. The barrel is just a little wider than a typical paintbrush, and so they're easier to grasp and to handle. Not only does it come with 50 different colors, but the colors are so rich and vibrant. I love the saturation that you get with these. My daughter used words like flowy and juicy to describe the way that the color comes out. So if you've got a budding artist on your hand or you're looking to try your hand at a different way of painting with watercolors, then check out these markers by GenCrafts. And that's my point of view.